Hello, I'm Claudia Orengo, a graphic designer and watercolor artist from Barcelona. And in this video, I want to show you 4 places you may not know where you can sell your digital products. So this is just part of what I'm going to be teaching inside the Beginner's Guide to Passive Income. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to leave you a link down below. It's a live class where you can learn everything I've been learning for the past year selling online digital products, and I'm going to teach you how you can start selling your products as soon as possible. So it's just my way to approach digital products, and it's everything I wish I knew when I was beginning. So my goal is to help any creative start without making the mistakes I did. So on the live class, you will learn many places, and I'm going to teach you inside each one of the marketplaces where I sell and my tips and what I experience in each one of them. But in this video, I want to focus in 4 places that I think most people don't know or haven't tried, and to me, they have been huge discoveries. So the first one is called Crella. It's this one here, and I discovered it just a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. So I started uploading all the products that I already had on CreativeMarket and in other places where I'm selling, and I just let them there, and I tried and I waited and I saw how everything evolved. So the thing is that I was really surprised because in 1 month I did many sales. So I just want to show to you how it looks and encourage you to try and open a shop here, because I was really surprised to do sales as fast as in 1 month. As you can see, I'm selling my clip arts here. So underneath each product there are just bundles of illustrations, and you can sell many products here. They have fonts, graphics, presets, templates, mockups, anything. So just I encourage you to go to their website, apply to open a shop, and test it as I did, because I'm sure you will be surprised. There is also inside each product the option to add them to the Crella subscription, which is a kind of subscription that they give to their clients, where they get access to some products. So some of the products, they are available for this subscription and some are not. I decided to test it and add my products inside the subscription, and I think it's working. So it's just 1 month testing, but my review so far, it's really positive. Okay, so the second one, I also discovered it a few months ago, I think at the same time as Crella. So in here, this is Adobe Stock, and I don't know if you know it, but I haven't used it as designer, but we have access to it since we are buying and paying for the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. So I think many people are using it. I just started investigating what they were selling, and I thought, hey, let's try it. And I uploaded this product, which is something new that I created just for this platform, using illustrations from one of my bundles. So in one of my kits, I was selling 15 of these masks. And since here in Adobe Stock they ask for a special size, I just reused some of the illustrations and created this image with 4 of these COVID masks. So I just tested, I uploaded it, and in a few days I did my first sale. So I thought, hey, let's try and upload other designs. So I started uploading these just lettering quotes, and I sold them as SVG because then they are vectors, and I know many people are buying this kind of quotes to print with cutting machines and all that stuff. So I just uploaded them. You can see there are not so many, but I'm doing quite few sales every month, and I'm excited to continue. So I wanted to share with you also this platform. Then the third one I want to talk to you about, it's Patternbank, and in this one I've been for years. But although I don't do many sales, what I like about this platform is that they sell the designs at a standard price that they decide, but it's much higher than in other platforms. So at the end, even if you don't do as many sales as you are doing in other platforms, here you are earning more for each sale, and the feeling is that the buyers, they appreciate more your design, they value more what you are offering because they are paying more. It may be that you prefer to sell at a cheaper price and earn more at the end because you do more sales, but I just wanted to share with you this platform because I think it's interesting. It approaches it in a different way, and I think most of the buyers are like more professional brands. I don't know, maybe just a feeling that I have, but I'm excited that one day, maybe on the street or in a shop, I will find someone with a cloth designed with one of my patterns. So how does this work? It's you need to upload here exclusively. So that's one of the reasons why I don't have a lot of designs, because the ones that I upload here, I cannot sell them elsewhere. But for instance, this one, it's selling really well. And once you go inside, they create the mockups for you. So it's really easy. You simply upload the pattern and directly you can choose where you want to apply it. And it always looks the same. So it doesn't matter if it's your design or others' design, the platform really gives the same options, and you can see the licenses. So they can buy it only for JPEG, and it's 50 euros. You earn half of this. Then if you get the extended license, then you get the PSD with layers. So you can resell it up to 500 units for 85, or you can do unlimited reproduction for 120. And this, it's one of their kind of products, because the other one are the exclusive ones, which are these ones, the premium. And this means that once you do one sale, they disappear from the shop. So these are really exclusives. The one person who purchased this design, they make sure that nobody else is going to be using the same pattern. So that's why they sell them much higher. And remember, you earn half of this, but still, I think it's really worth it. I've sold a couple of these exclusive ones, and it's really rewarding to see that one of your designs has been bought exclusively and someone is going to design something with your creation. Then finally, the last place I want to show you and give you the idea to sell from there, it's kind of different because it's not directly a platform to sell, but you can add links and you can still get sales from here. This is Dribbble. I don't know if you know it, but I've been using it for years as inspiration, and I've always wanted to have a profile here. And I don't know at what point I got access, but I forgot I had it. So just during COVID quarantine, I think it was in April or March, I can't remember which month, but really not so far ago, I checked and I saw I had the ability to open a profile and starting uploading my designs. So I started doing this. I paid for the Pro subscription, which allows me to upload videos and some other things. But as you can see, what you can do instead of just doing a normal post, like this one would be a regular post, you can also upload things that are for sale. So here I uploaded that pattern that I was showing you, and you can tell him this is for sale. Here you have the price, and you link it to any place where you are selling it. So people, when they find for inspiration, imagine somebody is looking for patterns and they want to design a collection, then they find this pattern and they say, oh, it's available for sale. So they can click and they directly go to Patternbank and they can purchase it. So it's not directly selling inside Dribbble, but it's an option that they give you. And I'm not sure if you know it, but to me it was a discovery, so I wanted to show it to you too in this video. So these are the 4 places that I know they are not very common, and I hope some of them are a discovery for you and you can try them and you can experiment. But remember, if you haven't started selling online yet, I'm doing this class that is special for beginners, and I'm gonna teach you everything I've been learning. I'm gonna show you inside my shops. I'm gonna share with you what I think it's worth it, what it's not, how you can do it, how you can start, and how you can be accepted to open shops in all these platforms. So if you want to join, you will find the link down below, and I hope to see you soon.